Okay, go ahead. Wait, hold on. Okay, go ahead. Smoked him. Did you get him? One down. Let's keep getting him. Okay, go ahead. Oh, you missed. Go ahead. Just above him. Quickly, quickly. Got him.
No, I.
You didn't? What? Seriously? Oh my word. Okay, go ahead. Wait, hold on. Okay, now. Did you get him?
Yep.
Oh. Nice. Okay, go ahead. You get him?
Yeah.
Nice.
There he is.
The hunter. We're just out here shooting grasshoppers, just getting you guys some kind of content. Deegan, say hi.
Hi.
With his
Daisy 880.
Daisy 880. Righto. We'll keep on slocking them for you guys. Alright, go ahead. You get him?
Oh, sort of.
Hold on, let me see if I can even find him. Okay, I can't see him. Just shoot him. Oh, there he was. Did you hit him?
No, I see him now.
I see him. Got him! Smoked him. Alright, go ahead. Wait, hold on. Okay, now. Did you get him?
Hit him.
Finally get him? What is that, your record? Record? Hold on, I can't see. It's not in the light. Move out here into the light. There you go. Pretty big one. Shot by Deegan.
Exploded!
Go, shoot him. Here we have a long shot.
I don't see him.
You don't see him?
No.
Yeah,
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Okay, hold on, it's blurry. Hold on. Oh, he's moving. Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Oh! Oh, wait, where'd he go?
I see him. Oh, he's climbing. Let's get him again.
Oh, did it get him? Yeah, he's down. How far is that? 8 yards? 8 yards at a grasshopper.
There's that.
There you go. Slocking grasshoppers with a BB gun. That's pretty good. You get him?
He's got.
Hold on a sec. Okay, go ahead. That one get him?
I think so.
Oh yeah, you got him. Smoked another one. You have another far shot. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Oh, missed him again?
I hit him that.
I don't even know what we're doing. We're just, I guess Deegan's just like practicing with his BB gun on grasshoppers. I don't know. I guess just getting you guys some kind of content. So I don't know, for any of you out there that likes watching grasshoppers get exploded with a BB gun.
That's when I'll do a 10 pump.
He said next one he'll do a 10 pump with his Daisy 80, so I don't know. On the tree, go ahead. Oh! Oh man, show them what you just did. So show them like how you loaded it and everything. You pumped it up you loaded up a regular BB, pumped it up to 10. So he loaded up a regular BB, pumped it up to 10, pulled a few BBs out of the magazine, I guess, dumped them down the barrel so that it so that it made a shotgun, and then just exploded one on the tree.
That's where he was.
Right? Oh, he left BBs in there too. Yeah, there's a BB in there.
Where is he?
I don't know. You exploded him though. Dang. There you go.
Well, I guess next time I will do it again.
Got a green one right here with a little one. He might come up and start mating with him. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, is he gonna mate with him? He's mating with him. Ah! Are you kidding me? Did you just get 2 in 1?
I don't know where that was.
He just shot them while they were mating. Oh my gosh. Bruh, give me some. Oh my word. Oh! Okay, go ahead. What? Oh gosh. I can see him laying right over there. Another grasshopper killed. Getting a little tired, huh? Yikes. And go. Oh! Furthest shot up to date. Oh wait, yeah, take him. Woo! He did? Or did he just jump? Alright. That might be a wrap. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Honestly, I'm not really sure why we made this video. I guess I just wanted to get some kind of content out since I haven't... He just dropped his BB gun. Since I haven't gotten anything out. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. That would really help me out. And if you guys did like this video, leave comments down below, and we'll see you guys next time.